Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to have a look at a £5 commemorative coin. This is actually the fourth coin in a series of 10 for the Queen's Beasts. This one is the Black Bull of Clarence. It's a 2018 dated coin and is a UK £5 brilliant uncirculated coin. So let's have a look now at the packaging. This is how it would arrive if you purchased it from the Royal Mint website. It's £13 plus postage and packaging. On the bottom here we can see the Roman numerals which show that this is the fourth of 10 coins. So that's the front. And then the back, which we'll get onto more in a second when we go through the coin specifications. But for now, as usual, I'm going to open up my packaging so that if you've bought this coin already or are thinking of buying this coin, you can see everything that you get inside without having to open yours. So there's the front again and the back. And the coin actually just slides out of here. So I can put that down and we'll have a look at the specifications in a bit. But for now, I'm going to do my usual thing of showing you guys everything that's on the card just long enough so that you can pause it and have a read at your own pace. I'm really happy that I actually continued collecting this series. When they were first announced, I wasn't too sure. I bought the first one, and ever since then I haven't looked back because every design that they've brought out has been stunning. There's the designer. And by there we can actually see a little preview of the coin that we'll be having a look at in a second. And now we're just bringing it back to the front. So before we look at the coin, we'll have a look at this little part on the back and then the specifications. So there we are, you can pause and read that. And now we're on to the coin specifications. So the denomination is £5. The alloy is copper nickel. The weight is 28.28 grams. The diameter is 38.61 millimeter. The quality is brilliant uncirculated. And the obverse and reverse designer is Jody Clark. So let's have a look at the coin itself. So first of all, we'll have a look at the reverse of the coin. And there we go. Stunning. I'll just make sure I catch that in the light properly. But yeah, that looks great. Like I said, all the designs on these have been absolutely beautiful. But now we're going to have a look at the obverse of the coin. And there we go. Stunning again. So shiny. I really can't recommend enough. If you haven't started and you love £5 commemorative coins, start collecting this series now before they get expensive. But let me know in the comment section below what you think of this series so far. Are you collecting it or are you thinking about starting it? Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.